We will understand how to install Anaconda, what is the use of installing Anaconda, and how to start using the IDEs which is present in Anaconda in this particular video. The first question basically is, what is Anaconda? Anaconda is actually a platform. It is a platform. It is a platform which helps us to work on the machine learning operations. It might be machine learning, or it can be data science, or it can be some visualization or anything. We require a lot of packages to work on all these technologies, right? So whatever the packages required to work on machine learning, data science and visualization is available inside the platform called Anaconda. Okay, so it is an implicit platform, it is an implicit environment which is available for Windows machines, for Mac machines and Ubuntu based machines. We can just download Anaconda. Automatically the required libraries for machine learning will be installed along with the Python environment. We need to download Anaconda software, then we can start working on this technology. So once when we install Anaconda, the packages required for the machine learning, the packages along with the IDEs will also be installed. So what is an IDE? As we know, it is integrated development environment. Integrated development environment. So to type any kind of programming, we require some software, right? That is called as IDE. So the IDE is what is available in Anaconda is, it will be having Jupyter Notebook, we'll be having Spider, which we'll be seeing later. But why do we install Anaconda is, once when we install Anaconda, automatically all these libraries and the IDEs required for machine learning operations will be installed implicitly. That is the reason we install Anaconda. If Anaconda is not installed, does not mean to say that we can't do machine learning operations, provided we need to download each and every time we need to download, keep on downloading the packages as and then required. So avoid this, we just download Anaconda so that our environment would be ready for our machine learning operations. We will see how to download Anaconda, how to install Anaconda and how to start using IDEs. To download Anaconda, you can just go to Google and type it as download Anaconda. So you'll be having something called as individual edition Anaconda products. So you can just download this, click on this. You can search for the blog to see the products. Here we have a products. You have individual edition. Click on that. It says your download data science toolkit. Here you can just click on download. You'll be getting, depending upon your operating system, either Linux or Mac OS or Windows. You can just select your particular version and you can download it. Mine is 64-bit installer. I just click on this, and I always prefer to download the graphical installer itself. Don't try to install your packages. Just go to graphic installer and you can install. Click on this. Depending upon internet speed, to take some time to download. Now Anaconda has been ready, so it has been downloaded. So I just cut that and posted inside a folder called as softwares. I double click on it. So smart screen, okay, I just say run. Next, agree, next, next. So here don't worry about the advanced options. Okay, just say register Anaconda as my default Python 3.8. Just keep it like this. Install. That's it. The installation process is very simple. It will take some time depending upon your machine speed. So we have to wait for that. So once the installation is complete, you'll be getting a message like this. Click on next. Again next. You're done. Finish. No need to subscribe anyone of the channel. You can just finish it. So once the finish is successful, what you can do is you can just go to your Windows. In Windows, you can search for Jupyter Notebook. You can see here we have a Jupyter Notebook Anaconda 3. We have a Spider, which is again a part of Anaconda 3 environment. If you want, you can just open this Anaconda. You can just say, okay, Anaconda Navigator. This is what you installed. You can click on it. For the first time, it will take some time to initialize few things, so it's a bit time consuming. depends upon your machine speed. This is the home page of Anaconda, and here you can see we have a lot of notebooks like Jupyter Notebook, then we have Jupyter Lab, then we have IPython console, then we have Spider. Okay, we also have RStudio, we have PyCharm. So all this we can just install. So by default the Spider notebook will be installed. You can just click on launch, so automatically it opens. But if you want to install a few other softwares or PyCharm or RStudio, you can just click on install, so those packages will also be installed automatically. And here we can see, as we discussed previously, there are a lot of packages which is installed when we download Anaconda, right? You can just click on environment here. You can see these are the packages which has been installed, so that you can directly use your Anaconda environment and work on it. Just let's just search for one of the package by name Pandas. See, this package is already available. Okay, the recent version of Pandas is available here. Then let me check for NumPy. You can just see NumPy has already been installed. Like there's a lot of basic packages which is required for the machine learning operation is already been installed just because you have installed your Anaconda environment. So this is what we wanted to discuss. Okay, in the next video we start to look about how to work on the IDEs and how to work on the programming with Python using any one of the IDEs.